Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. The long awaited notification is finally out. NABARD IT का recruitment announce हो चुका है, notification आ चुका है. In this video we are going to discuss all of that in detail. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from NABARD's website. You can also download this from the description below. In the description you will also find a link for complete guide and study plan. You can download that to know everything about NABARD IT exam. So here you can see the important dates. Online registration starts from 27th of July and will go up to 15th of August. Your phase 1 prelims exam is on 1st of September. The date of mains exam would be announced separately on our website. तो अभी mains की exam date नहीं पता है. Most probably it will be somewhere in mid of October. For computer information technology, there are 16 vacancies in total, 9 for unreserved category, 1 for SC, 1 for ST and 5 for OBC. The cutoff date for education qualification is 1st of July 2024. तो आपके eligibility की cutoff date as on 1st July 2024 है. Coming to the age and the education qualification requirement. For computer information technology, 4 years bachelor's engineering, technology degree in computer science, computer engineering, information technology, electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence from any recognized university institution with 60% marks in aggregate, which is 55% for SC, ST, PWBD, or पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्री इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस, इन सभी में अगर आपके पास पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन है तो आप 55% मार्क्स के साथ भी एलिजिबल हो जाएंगे. और यू आर अ ग्रेजुएट विद 60% मार्क्स इन एग्रीगेट फ्रॉम अ रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी and have passed Department of Electronics and accreditation of computer courses B level. तो अगर आपके पास कोई भी ग्रेजुएशन है और आपने DOE-ACC का B लेवल का सर्टिफिकेशन पास किया हुआ है तो भी आप एलिजिबल हैं. सो दिस इज द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर कंप्यूटर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. योर स्किल सेट एंड नेचर ऑफ वर्क इज गिवन. दिस इज द स्किल सेट दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम यू. सिक्योरिटी, एनालिटिक्स, डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, इन सब में आपको काम करना है. योर एज शुड बी बिटवीन 21 and 30 years एज ऑन 1st of July 2024. कमिंग टू द सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर. पहले प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम होगा. प्रीलिम्स के एग्जाम में 8 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. Reasoning, English, computer, quantitative aptitude, decision making, general awareness, economic, social issues, agriculture, rural development. Number of questions are given. Maximum marks of every subject are given. Sectional cutoff और sectional timing है, but qualifying sections और merit sections mentioned है. Reasoning, English, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude, decision making, these are only qualifying. इनमें आपको सिर्फ cutoff clear करनी है. Merit sections जिनके बेसिस पे phase 2 के लिए सिलेक्शन होगी, those are general awareness, economic, social issues, agriculture, rural development. So here if you see general awareness, economic, social issues and agriculture, rural development, these 100 questions, इन 100 marks में से जो भी आपका स्कोर बनेगा उसके बेसिस पे phase 2 के लिए सिलेक्शन होगी. Then coming to the mains examination. Mains examination for the post of specialist has paper 1 which is descriptive English, in which there will be 3 questions. 100 marks का पेपर है, 90 minutes का, which have to be typed. Paper 2 which is your IT paper. This stream specific paper will be divided into 2 parts. One objective which will be having 30 questions of 50 marks and then one descriptive जिसमें 6 questions होंगे, out of which 4 have to be attempted. 2 questions of 15 marks each and 2 questions of 10 marks each have to be attempted. This is also of 50 marks and this has to be attempted in 90 minutes. These are to be typed on keyboard. You can check out the other details from this notification. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can also mention them in the comment below. As I was saying, I am attaching this complete guide in the description below. You can check out all the details in this complete guide. इसमें आपको exam pattern, syllabus सब मिल जाएगा और उसके साथ ही आपको एक study plan and live class schedule भी मिलेगा. We are starting a new batch from 31st of July. Right now the focus will be on phase 1. You will have daily QRA classes from 9:30 to 1. आप अपनी strengths, weaknesses के according इन्हें join कर सकते हैं. 6 to 7 PM and 7 to 8 PM में आपको classes मिलेंगी. Agriculture, rural development, economic, social issues, general awareness, decision making, कंप्यूटर नॉलेज. तो आप इस कंप्लीट गाइड स्टडी प्लान को डाउनलोड करके देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से क्लासेस शेड्यूल्ड हैं एंड यू कैन मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ दिस. आई एम अगेन सेइंग आईटी की बहुत लिमिटेड क्लासेस होंगी. आईटी की ज़्यादा क्लासेस आपकी फेज 1 के बाद होंगी, बट For your preparation, for ease of understanding, I have created a study plan for you which you can follow along with your phase 1 preparation to prepare for phase 2. So you can even use the study plan to prepare for phase 2. You can download this complete guide and study plan from the description below. Remember, we are starting a new batch from 31st of July. So hurry up, you can enroll in this new batch and you can start your preparation for phase 1 with us. And with sufficient classes and material present, you can easily clear your phase 1. For phase 2, we'll have limited classes before phase 1 and more dedicated classes after phase 1. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.